afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you see this opportunity or watch this video. Now, this is a new update I got. It has been on for some days, but because of the load of work I had to like pause till now. So this is the video I'm recording. Okay, so this app rewards you for posting, engaging with content, creating your own content, and also reviewing storybooks or books on it or in it. Okay, so there are two ways. There's just one way to register. Once you get the link, you copy the link. Okay, copy the link. No, don't copy the link. If you're on Facebook, you copy the link. If you're on my other platforms, you click on the link and download the app. This is an app. You download the app, but do not register using the app. After you've downloaded the app, come back to the link, click on it, and when you click on it, you're going to be told to log in using your Google, your Facebook, or your Yoma. So you are going to make sure you type out your registration link, your email. Sorry for the many mistakes in this video. Type out your email address using the space that will be provided for you here, and then click on next. Now when you click next, you can see that they asked you to provide your name. Okay, if you use your email address that is linked to your Google, it is going to have issues. Okay, so please register the way I'm telling you so that you're not going to have any issues. Then so let us add a name. Okay, then you can add your address, your date of birth. I'm going to add my date of birth. Then here you add your sex. Okay, if you're a male, a female, if you're non-binary, if you're gender fluid means you don't know your gender or you are confused. But please, we know that the only gender we have in this world is male and female. So put the one that you are representing. I'm a female, so I'm putting female for it. See what this other baby grammar they are speaking here. Then you'll be asked to create a password. Okay, so please create your password. All right, so let me show you the kind of password they need you to create. Okay, this is not my password. I'm just playing around something. Okay, so Nkechi at 40. This is the kind of password they expect you to create. So please create this kind of password for them. Let me create my own password now. All right, so please, after registration, this is the kind of message you should get. Let's verify you. If you don't get this kind of message, it means you did your registration wrongly. So please watch the video from the beginning so you are not going to make a mistake. Do not continue using Google. No, type out your email address for them, because if you continue using Google, the system is going to capture you as an existing user, and we don't want that. Okay, so please, this is what you're supposed to see after registration, and then you're going to click on click on the link they sent. So they sent a link to my email. I am going to verify it now. So I am in my email. Okay, and when you come here, they said to benefit from the app, this is what you're going to click. So this is the link. So click on the link and continue. When you have clicked on the link, they are going to bring you back to the app. Okay, so you can see my account. Then this is what you're going to click. So they said your invite journey, 3 successful actions. So 0.3 successful actions. So I'm going to click on it to see the actions I need to take to complete it. So verify your identity, participate in challenge, eligible entry. So once you see these things, you know that your account is active and you have registered. So after registration, please take a screenshot of this your profile you are seeing here and send it to me in my DM. Okay, you can send it via WhatsApp, you can send it on Facebook, or if you're in the Telegram channel, you can use our discussion room to share this your profile. So that is all you need to know. Please do this registration carefully. If you have a community, you want to invite people, you can share this video to them for easy access so that they are not going to make mistakes during registration. The least withdrawal you can withdraw here is 40 USDC, and for everyone you successfully registers, the person is going to give you 2 USDC from the platform. The platform rewards you for everyone that successfully registers through your invite, 2 USDC. So this is all you need to know about this, and that's all for this video.